Now let's discuss on the business process modeling, that is BPM, and the MoSCoW methods, which are powerful tools for problem solving in business, helping companies streamline operations, prioritize solutions, and achieve strategic goals. Let's break down how they work and their impact on business problem solving. First is business process modeling, that is BPM. BPM is a visual representation of business processes showing how work flows through an organization to identify inefficiencies, optimize operations, and solve the problems. Key steps in BPM includes identification of the processes. So choose the specific process to be modeled and improved. Map the current state. Visualize the as is process, current workflow, roles, and systems. Next is analyze pain points. Spot bottlenecks, delays, and errors. Design the future states. Develop an optimized to be process to solve identified problems. Implement changes. Roll out improvements and automations. Monitor and refine. Track performance and make adjustments as needed. And the business impact includes enhanced efficiency. So it reduces wasted time and resources, improves quality, minimizes errors and inconsistencies, better communications. So aligns teams and stakeholders on process flow. For example, Amazon's logistics optimization. BPM helps Amazon map its order fulfillment process, identifying delivery delays and warehouse inefficiencies. Streamlining these processes enables faster shipping and higher customer satisfactions. Second is MoSCoW method. So the MoSCoW method is a prioritization technique used to classify business requirements and solve problems effectively. So it's especially useful in project management and strategic planning. MoSCoW categories include must have, that is the essential features or actions critical to success. Should have, that is important but not immediately critical, can wait if necessary. Next is could have, that is nice to have items that add value but are not essential. Last is won't have, that is low priority items that can be deferred or eliminated. And the business impact includes clear prioritization, focuses on urgent and impactful issues. Next is efficient resource allocation, ensures time, money, and efforts go to high priority tasks. Next is faster decision making. It simplifies conflict resolution and stakeholder alignments. For example, new product development at Apple when launching a new iPhone. Must have is advanced camera quality, high speed performance, and battery life. Should have includes need design implements, improved Face ID. Could have includes additional color options, exclusive software features. Won't have includes experimental features not yet perfected. This approach ensures Apple meets customer expectations while keeping development focused and efficient, combining BPM and MoSCoW for problem solving. So use BPM to map and identify problem in a business process. Apply the MoSCoW method to prioritize process improvements and allocate resources. For example, healthcare appointment scheduling system. So the BPM analysis includes identifying long wait times and double booking. MoSCoW prioritization is must have automated scheduling system, should have includes appointment reminders via SMS, could have includes doctor preference selection, won't have includes virtual waiting room features, that is the future phase. So now let's explore how the IT sector uses business process modeling, that is BPM, and the MoSCoW method to solve business problems and improve efficiency. These tools are crucial for streamlining operations, managing software development, and delivering projects on time. First is the business process modeling in the IT sector. BPM in IT visually maps technical and business processes, helping teams identify bottlenecks, optimize workflow, and improve service delivery. Example includes software deployment process at a tech company. Problem is frequent delays in the software development due to miscommunication and manual errors. And the BPM approach includes identifying the process, that is the software deployment from development to production. Map the current state, that is development team writes code, quality assurance test it, and the operations team deploy it. Analyze the pain points, lack of coordination between the teams, manual testing delays, frequent deployment failures. Design the future state by implementing CI or CD pipelines for automated deployment. Use project management tools like Jira for team collaboration. Introduce automated testing to reduce working manual. So the implementation and the monitoring part. So train teams on the new system. Monitor deployment success rate and time savings. And the business impact includes deployment time reduced by 50%, fewer errors and rollbacks, better collaboration and visibility across the team. Now, the second method includes the MoSCoW method in the IT sector. So, the MoSCoW method prioritizes project requirements, helping IT teams focus on critical features while balancing timelines and resources. For example, developing a mobile banking app. MoSCoW prioritization is must have includes secure login, that is 2FA, fund transfer functionally, transaction history view, should have includes bill payments integration, push notifications for the transactions. Could have includes dark mode options, personalized dashboards. Won't have includes cryptocurrency wallet integration, that is the deferred for a future phase. And the business impact is online delivery of a fully functional app, higher user satisfaction by focusing on core banking needs, efficient use of development resources. Now, let's look into combining BPM and MoSCoW for IT projects. BPM maps workflow to identify inefficiencies. MoSCoW prioritizes feature development, ensuring the most valuable work gets done first. For example, the cloud migration project at an IT services firm. BPM analysis includes identification of the manual server, configuration, and frequent downtimes. Whereas the MoSCoW prioritization includes must have, that is the automated cloud provisioning and the data migration. Should have includes load balancing setup, and the could have includes advanced monitoring dashboards. Won't have includes multi-cloud strategy.